Right, left, left is so useful in grooves. Let me show you. Super fun, super cool. Starts with right, left, left. Bring that right hand down for beat 2. 1 and 2. Then we got this cool little left-right thing. So, 2 and up. Technically, we're kind of swinging these 16th notes, basically. Left, right, and. Through beat 3, we're just kind of bouncing between the hi-hat and the bass drum. 3, E, and up. Remember, again, we're still swung. And then 4 is nice and easy. 4, and that's it. 1, and up, 3, and up. 1, and up. Enjoy. Big love.